Usuku lwesikhombisa umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe uadvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane ethula ubufakazi esigcawini esiphenya ngokuthi ukulungele yini ukuba sehhovisi. Umkhwebane uthi ucela lesi sigcawu sihlehliswe njengoba enganabo abameli bakhe namhlanje ehamba yedwa.
Asikabikho isisombululo ngodaba lezindleko zomthetho zikaMkhwebane. Abameli baMkhwebane bahoxa lesigcawu ngesonto ledlule ngemva kokuthi ihhovisi lomvikeli womphakathi lanquma ukuthi angeke lisazikhokhela izindleko zakhe kulesigcawu.
Parliament is also spending a lot of resources to pay the very same evidence leaders. They are not public servants. You are paying them. And I think there was a question from Honorable Sukres about the resources paid to my legal team. They are also paid from the fiscus, which should also be declared, and everyone must know how much they are paid. And wherever you get the resources for them, get the resources for me so that this process can be finished without delay.
Usihlalo uqubutile Jantshi uthi kufanele kutholwe isisombululo senkinga yokukhokhela abameli baMkhwebane ngokusheshsha.
There's urgent and serious work that is, as we sit here now, that is underway to follow up and make true the commitment that we made on Friday, that we don't want this inquiry to stop in the middle. And that is continuing. So, and as I speak now, we don't necessarily have what the outcome of that and the details of that.
Lesiccawu kufanele sihlehliswe kuze kuthi umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe kanye neParliament baxazulule izindaba zokukhokhela abameli bakaMkhwebane.
I think Chair, you may have to consider postponing this hearing today until you have until the public protector and the Parliament, or rather acting public protector and Parliament, have possibly found a solution to this problem.
Ubrataron Wegood naye uthi lesiccawu asihlehliswe ngoba uMkhwebane akekho ommele namhlanje.
I can't see how we can proceed with the public protector unrepresented. And I don't understand what happened over the weekend in trying to resolve this. I don't understand the committee's role in trying to resolve it. But the public protector is entitled to legal representation throughout the proceedings.
Isiccawu siyaqhubeka.